Morning folks, I am Himanshu Dusani and today we are continuing our chapter on triangles. Right now we are taking the question from exercise 6.3 and this is question number 4. Question number 4 says that in the given figure QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So given QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given to us. We have to prove that triangle PQS and triangle TQR are similar. Now proof. In triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Therefore, PQ is equal to PR. Why these sides are equal? Because equal angle in a triangle have equal sides. Now, in triangle PQS and triangle TQR. Triangle PQS and TQR angle PQS is equal to angle TQR because this angle 1 is same in both the triangles, angle Q. Now QR upon QS is equal to QT by PR. Now this PR can be replaced by PQ, means QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PQ. Taking the inverse of this or reciprocal, will be QS by QR is equal to PQ by QT. Now we can see that by 1 and 2 SAS similarity. This is angle, this is side angle, side similarity. Both the triangles, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. What is SAS similarity? SAS similarity is that if we are having the two triangles in which the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal and the angles subtended by their sides are equal, then that two triangles can be said similar. So by that property we are using over here and we are solving for the SAS similarity. I hope you got the idea of this question. Let us move to the next question. Question number 6 of the same exercise, exercise 6.3. Question number 6 says that in the given figure, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. This is question number 6, exercise 6.3. Diagram is given to us. This is the triangle ABC, ABC. This is DE, joining the vertices with DE. Now let us write what is given to us. Given triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, and we have to prove triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. This is given to us. What is the property of congruency? Property of congruency is in two triangles corresponding angle and corresponding sides are equal. This is the statement for congruency. Now we have given that triangle ABE and triangle ACD, are congruent. So triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. That means AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, and AD is equal to AE. AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AE. This is first and this is second. Taking this AC in the denominator, you will be getting AB upon AC is equal to 1, and taking this AE in the denominator of AD, we will be getting AD upon AE is equal to 1. Now we can see that in both of these two terms, they are is equal to 1. Means if their RHS is equal, then LHS will be equal to AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE. That is termed that third. Now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle A, common in both, and by third AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE. Therefore, by SAS similarity, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. by SAS similarity, both the triangles are similar, and what we have to prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 9 of the same exercise, exercise 6.3. Question number 9 says that in the given figure, ABC and AMP are two right angled triangle, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that first triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, and second is CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Now let us see how we can solve this. This is question number 9 of the same exercise. Diagram is given to us. Let us write the what is given to us first. We are having two right triangles. Given right triangles, triangle ABC and triangle AMP. Triangle AMP. These two triangles are given to us, which are at 90 degree. What we have to prove? To prove first part, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Proof. First part we have to prove. We are taking triangle ABC and triangle AMP. Angle BAC is equal to angle MAP. Common in both the triangles. Angle M is equal to angle B, 90 degree each. By angle similarity, both the triangles will be similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Both the triangles are similar. Now second part of it. Second part says that we have to prove that AC upon AP is equal to BC upon MP. Now if the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides ratio will be equal. So as triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, if triangles are similar, the ratio of corresponding angles or corresponding sides will be equal. So by this we can say that AC upon AP is equal to BC upon MP. This is the second thing which we have to prove. Now let us move to the next theorem of the NCERT book, which is very important. This is theorem 6.6, areas of similar triangles. Theorem 6.6 says that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. I am repeating the sentence. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Let us see the proof of this theorem. This theorem is 6.6. Theorem 6.6 we are talking about. We are given with the two triangles. These two triangles are given to us. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Now drawing the perpendicular from this. This is the construction which we have done. AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. We have to prove. First, let us write the given. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. And we have to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ square is equal to BC upon QR square is equal to AC by PR square. This we have to prove. Now writing the construction. AM is perpendicular to BC and PN is perpendicular to QR. Now proof. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half base into height. Base will be BC and height will be AM. This is first. Now area of triangle PQR is equal to half. Base is QR and height is PL. This is second. Dividing first and second. Dividing first and second. We'll be getting area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR R, which is half BC into AM upon half QR into PN. This half will get cancelled out with this half. So the remaining term will be BC upon QR is equal into AM upon PN. Now taking the two triangles, triangle ABM and triangle PQN. In triangle ABM and triangle PQN, angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Angle M is equal to angle N, 90 degree each. Angle M is equal to angle N, 90 degree each. By angle similarity, both the triangles will be similar. By angle similarity, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN, which means that AM upon PN is equal to AB upon PQ. Now solving for triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now triangle ABC and which is similar to triangle PQR, we can write that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, which is equal to AC upon PR. This is given to us. Now from this is third. By third we can say that AM upon PN is equal to AB upon PQ, and AB upon PQ is equal to the BC upon QR. By third and fourth, we can say that AM upon PN is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AB upon PQ. Now replacing this AM upon PN, AM upon PN is equal to BC upon QR. In this equation, so we will be getting area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR PQR is equal to BC upon QR square. BC upon QR square. So this is the required solution of the theorem, that the ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. Thank you guys for today. We'll be continuing our chapter for tomorrow.